Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can bind the carry command on FiveM in just a few seconds. So this is very useful and basically everyone has this command binded because it's more comfortable than opening the chat and typing carry, which is way slower. So this way you will be able to carry someone just by pressing a key. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is press F8 and then this window will pop up. Here you need to type bind space keyboard, then double quotes and the letter you want to bind. In my case it's G. You can use any other one or even a number, but make sure it's a key that you are not using in the game. For example, G works fine, and then carry. So it's important to not put it with the slash. This is how you need to put it. Just carry without the slash at the beginning. Then hit enter. And now if I press G, it will run the carry command. And of course I can't carry anyone because there are no players here. But it basically works the same way as if you run carry right here in that set. So now if I want to unbind it, to change it to any other key, or you just want to unbind it, we can open this F8 window again and type unbind keyboard G, or the letter you just used to bind it. And hit enter, and now if I press G, it does nothing. So that's it. This way you can bind any other command you want, but the carry command is the most used one, so I will highly recommend you to do it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.